The talent is phenomenal. What we have seen, I think we have one of the amazing creative lot in our team.
So, viewers, welcome to another show of the Connect series. Today we have Mr. Rahul Tekwani, a young, energetic communication professional who has close to a decade of experience in public relations, brand management, image building, etc. And the good news is that Rahul, at the age of just 26, he is decided to be on his own. He is setting up his own company called Excellent Branding Edge Strategic Communication. So I think the age is with him, and let's hope that he'll also enjoy the edge in communication. To start the chat with Rahul, Rahul, congrats on your great leap. Superb.
Thank you so much.
Uh,
Thank you.
so you just launched your new venture. Tell us something
Yeah.
about it. How many centers you have? You started basically in Mumbai, and uh, what is the scene?
Yeah.
Rahul.
So as I told you, the name of the company is Branding Edge Strategic Communication. It's the company is focused on strategic designing strategy for the brand side as well as for the reputation side. When we talk about the brand side, we create strategy for creative, like typical advertising side of the business, digital side of the business, design side of the business, and how your events and influencer management takes place. In the reputation side, we design strategy, the media strategies. We work on crisis communication program, capital market strategies, and especially the social communication. So that's where the major aim of company is focused as of now. As of now, the company has two centers. The company operates, the head office is out of Mumbai, and then in the north we have an office in Delhi.
A variety of communication aspects that will be offering to your clients. So,
Yeah.
do you have the talent for all this? Because it's difficult to get talent these days. How are you managing that for a new company like yours? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So the talent is phenomenal. What we have seen, I think we have one of the amazing creative lot in our team. You know, the creative lots who are willing to think outside the box and who are willing to go that extra step to transform the strategy that we make for our client. You know, who are actually the lot who thinks more about driving strategy and data management rather than execution. So the younger lot is amazing. They are talented. They are willing to go out of the box. And at the senior front, we have advisors, we have consultants who have been in the industry for more than 30 years, 25, 30 years. So these people naturally, organically nurture the younger lot. They take them through their experience and everything, and it's a phenomenal amalgamation of the younger lot and the senior.
So you have offices in Mumbai and Delhi. You said.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Um have you started acquiring clients?
Yeah. So we have just started, but I think God has been kind, and we have acquired a couple of clients on the rep strategy side and on the brand strategy side also. So
Okay.
we are handling the creative strategy for a couple of clients in Mumbai, and the reputation management is covering. We have clients from south of India, we have clients from Delhi. So from that perspective, we have a witness of client to start off with.
The web business means, are you also getting into web design and creation, or just online
No,
reputation,
rep,
online
rep, reputation, rep business,
Arab?
reputation management. Yeah,
Great.
yeah,
Great. So, see, COVID has giving us a lot of challenges, particularly to our communication professionals. So, have you
yeah.
taken COVID as an opportunity while it has been creating challenges?
Uh, so the process and the thought started came 2 years back.
Okay.
So the idea was always to launch something, But yes, COVID has given shown me that gap that is existing in our industry. I think the last time when we spoke on your channel only, I
Yes.
was emphasizing on the fact that we are not a mature market,
Yeah.
you know, and during COVID times, I think what we have seen and what I've personally seen is that brands are brands are going extra cautious, firstly because they have a limited amount of marketing budget. And secondly, during COVID times, they don't want to take any risk because the industry is at that fragile point where anything can happen. This
Yeah.
is the time when the brand can actually make their business or actually break their business. So that's why I thought that strategy is something that will play a major role. Execution is fine. People will execute it, but at a point of time, this is a time when brands are thinking big more than their brand. When a PR agency or when an advertising agency go and pitch, they are more focused on the brand side of the business. But our main focus is on the business side of the brand. Okay, we are saying that we drive strategy that will firstly take care of your business, that
Yeah.
will help your business to grow. And then once your business is growing, eventually there will be a positive impact on your brand also.
So there are agencies and agencies. There are a number of consultants in the market, and they're also even willing to cut prices, cut to accommodate the clients which are in deep crisis because of the COVID, etc.
Yeah.
But and in this kind of a scenario, do you think that clients are now willing to take a risk? You'll excuse me for using that word risk because they'll
Yeah.
be working with relatively unknown brand like yours, Branding Edge.
Uh,
So
so there are two sides of the story. You can think about that yeah, clients will be working with a unknown brand like Trending Edge, but then client is working with familiar names. You know, the names who have served them for 10 years, 20 years, and 30 years.
mhm,
So eventually, clients are working with trusted people in a different brand name. So that's how the clients have been. And when you're talking about the money, the clients have cut down their budget. Yes, the clients have cut down their budget, but I think in our industry there's still room for improvement. Like if you're serving a good strategy, if you're giving them good advice and execution, they will pay you what according to the industry price and irrespective of the COVID situation or not. So that's on that side, our client list and our business list has been very fortunate towards the media side.
If I move over to talking about the economy, you're aware in the last 10, 15 days, there have been quite a few measures and steps and indicators which have shown that the recovery is happening and distinctly clearly happening. The Composite Purchase Managers Index has risen to 58.9 in October, and the previous month it was at 54.6, and therefore this is the strongest increase that you've seen in output in close to 9 years. So that itself shows it is just not the pent-up demand, but also a strong pitch for recovery.
There are again two sides of the story. Yes, the brands have cut down their prices, but again, when you're saying that this economy is still recovering, to take advantage of that recovering economy, you need to spend on your marketing.
yeah,
You know, so the brands are spending on their marketing budget. The marketing budgets have increased from what they were in past, what like 4 5 months back. the marketing budgets have increased, and they're, the brands are working with the brands are looking to work with right kind of people. So they are willing to spend whatever they have, but given the fact that they are getting the work done and they are getting the result on their investment.
Great. And how many people do you have now full time with you working?
So full time we are starting off with a team of 8 to 10 people, you know,
Okay.
and then there are 4 to 5 advisors and 6 advisors across India, like pan India, who are coming on board. So because the company is relatively young, so we also want to adapt to the scenario and everything. We don't want to go all gun blazing where we hire more people, because I personally, as a person, I'm against, employee cut, sacking employees and everything.
Yeah.
So I just want to take a conservative approach on that front, and I want to hire employees, you know, that can that can be with me for another 2, 3, 4 years, and not the employees who can just work with me for 2 months, 4 months, or 6 months.
So are you taking the adopting the lean and mean policy to
Yeah,
remain?
yeah.
Great.
So that's what the focus is for at least coming 6 to 8 months,
Superb.
and then let's see where the market stands, and then we'll take the decision on the way forward from there.
Great, Rahul. Nice talking to you, and superb, excellent decision that you have taken. And hearty congratulations from the Connect series, my entire team. Wish you all the best. And thank you very much for
Thank
joining.
you so much, Priyanka. Thank you for having me here. Thanks.